What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new, my name is Andre Diaz and I'm just a self-employed entrepreneur. I'm a day trader, content creator. I do all of the above. I'm just someone that's not trying to work for someone else. I want to work for myself. And with that being said, I want to get straight into the topic of the video. The topic of the video is going to be brokers, because one of the main things that people always ask me, what broker do I use? What broker do you trust? Is this a scam? Why do you use this? Shouldn't you use this? Is this regulated? Is this not regulated? I just want to put it in a video so now I can just give it to everybody every time they ask. So it makes it a little bit easier for me, and now everybody can get their questions answered in a more in-depth environment. As you know, right now I'm in Miami. I'm kind of stuck here as of right now. My car is getting worked on, so I have no choice but to be stuck in Miami and create content. And this is one of the things that I think is going to be very valuable to you guys. And it's pretty good timing because last week hankotrade just released their new platform. They now have their own platform, which is hankoX. And as you guys know, hankotrade didn't really have their own platform before. They just kind of had this web browser. They were using ActTrader and it was kind of buggy. But now this is music to my ears, because as you guys know, since I've had making all these things happen, I was on vacation and I was in St. Martin last week, came back to Miami, all these things happening with my car, and now I'm kind of stuck here. I haven't been trading my live accounts. I haven't been trading my funded accounts that I have with TopStep, and I haven't been trading my hankotrade account. I was looking to take a trade on my hankotrade account today, which you'll see in the vlog, but I didn't end up catching anything on that account. I didn't take no trades on it. And one of the things that you guys gotta understand is when it comes to trading, you need to understand playing defense is key. You don't want to lose money. The name of the game is to stay in the game. And the only way you stay in the game is by having an account to trade. And at the end of the day, what accounts do I trade? I have both prop firms and I have live accounts. The only broker that I personally use is hankotrade. I may use TopStep, but they're not a broker. They're a prop firm. You would have to ask somebody else about that because I don't personally use it and I can't give you my expertise. But I do use TopStep and I do use hankotrade. hankotrade is the only broker that I've actually put live money into in the last 2 years. I didn't really trade a whole bunch of brokers until I made enough money to be able to do it, and that's when I did into hankotrade. And just to show you that I'm not lying, so within the couple of, I would say, maybe a month or two of me actually trading on hankotrade, I've maybe withdrawn about 2,000. Just to show you that I'm not capping about any of the things I say. So since May 21st, that was the first time I got a withdrawal with hankotrade. I haven't really traded this account as much as I traded my funded accounts, just because this is live money. Like I just told you guys, you want to play defense. This is real money that I could really lose. That's real 3,000 real dollars, and 3,000 is the amount that I started with when I started making this money. But I withdrew about $1,300, about $1,300, and I'm still in profit about $300 on the account that I haven't withdrawn. And I'll show you right on my computer. So as you can see, these are my withdrawal history. So from May 21st at about 8:44, that's when I did my first withdrawal, but then I canceled it and I just said I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. And then as you can see, the next day I won a trade, so then I withdrew 586 because I think I made about $300 after that day. So I withdrew the 221 plus about maybe $300. I'm not sure the exact number, but that's what it was. And then that was the first withdrawal. The second withdrawal was in June for $519. The third withdrawal was on June for $338. So most of these withdrawals were in the span of about 2-3 weeks. And then the last couple of weeks I haven't really been trading it as much, so I haven't withdrawn it. But if we come over to the hankotrade, you can see this is their new platform. It's no longer on ActTrader. They have their own platform, as you can see at the top, which is hankoX. And as you can see, my balance on this account, you can see the balance on this account is $3,335, and this is because I'm in profit $333. And that I just haven't really taken it out because I'm going to use that money, that $300, to risk on my next trade. I can risk 150 on the next trade, risk maybe 300 if it's a very valid trade. But I'm just giving myself that buffer, not taking it out. I don't really need that $300 right now. So I have it in there, sitting, waiting for the trade, waiting for it to present itself. But as you can see, their platform, personally, I don't really customize it. I don't really use anything crazy with it. I kind of keep the settings default. And the reasons for that is because I do most of my marking up on TradingView, and I recommend you guys do the same thing. I would be lying if I said I do all of my markups on hankotrade. I just keep both windows open. I mark it up on TradingView, and then I take the trades, watch the trade and everything on the hankotrade, on the hankoX platform. Yeah, you can see at the bottom everything. So the last couple of trades, you can see the last trade I won was $223, and the other trade before that was $133. I kind of like the way it is, the profit and L. And then these trades over here were break-even trades. I took one on Euro USD by accident and I closed it, and then I had one on S&P, which ended up being a break-even trade. But I'm gonna go into a couple of things that I know people are gonna have questions on regarding the platform, questions regarding the trading. No, they don't have MetaTrader 4, they don't have MetaTrader 5. No, you can't trade hankoX on TradingView. HankoX is its own platform. It is its own thing. You can go on the mobile app. There's a mobile app version on the phone. And personally, I use the mobile app version more than I use it on my computer. Because, for example, right now, while I'm away from my whole desk, away from my whole setup, I can't have multiple monitors right here. I can't have multiple screens open. So I'll have TradingView on my computer and I'll have HankoX on my phone. I'll have TradingView on my phone. Either or. But they have the mobile app, so if you don't have a computer, if you don't have a laptop, if you don't have a tablet, you have your phone version. It is perfectly fine still. And me personally, I recommend it on the phone. I like it better on the phone. Somebody may be different. Some people like it on their computer. I know Kino from VIP, he likes his computer and he doesn't like trading it on his phone, but he would. And it's the same like me. I like trading it on my phone. I don't really like as much doing it on my laptop, but I would. And now I'm just gonna go into the hankotrade account and everything. So as you can see with my trading account, I only have one trading account with them. I didn't really make other accounts. I just have the one live trading account, which is 500 to 1 leverage. Some people may say, oh, why do you have that much leverage? For one, it's only a $3,000 account. I don't have $100,000 in a broker right now. I'm not that up. I may have some money, but I'm not rich yet. I'm being honest with you guys. You guys want me to be transparent. I had that leverage so I could be able to make more money than what I got. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then I have a demo account. That's the demo account I kind of use to get used to the platform. You should never go straight into a platform. You should never go straight into a broker specifically. hankotrade, I use a demo first. I use a demo for weeks. I use their platform for weeks before I even put my money into it, before I even trusted it. And I recommend you do the same thing because experience is key. You're not gonna have the same conviction. You're not gonna have the same confidence to execute on a new platform like I am because I've been doing it longer. You just have to get in the habit of it. Do it a little bit every day. Practice on the platform. Get a demo account. Practice. Get more experience so that you can build the confidence. Confidence comes from experience, doing things over time, doing it often, doing it repetitive, having a routine of doing the same thing that's going to lead to the same result of improving. Another thing we're going to talk about withdrawals. How fast do you get the withdrawals? Now, me personally, I've gotten all my withdrawals in less than 24 hours, in less than 48 hours. I think one of my withdrawals took a little longer, but it was because I withdrew it on a Friday. So yeah, you shouldn't probably do it on a Friday. If you want to get your withdrawal, you got to make sure that the people that are actually going to do your withdrawal and actually approve it and everything are actually at work. Don't do it on a Friday. I recommend doing any withdrawal early Monday morning, early Tuesday morning, so that you can get it early in the week. All 3-4 withdrawals I've done have hit within 24 hours because I did them within that time, except for the one I did on a Friday. But besides that, all the withdrawals hit in a timely manner. And depending on where you get the money sent, like I get the money sent to my crypto account. I can show you my last. So hankotrade, when they send the money to your actual crypto exchange, wherever you're getting the money sent to, because they do it through crypto. I use Bitcoin, not Bitcoin. It gets sent through Bitcoin, yes, but I use crypto.com. Crypto.com is my crypto exchange. They're the person I use for everything. When it comes to all my businesses, not just trading, if I need a crypto exchange, I go to crypto.com. So if you want, I've showed in the videos, and if you didn't see in the other videos, I already show all the withdrawals. Everything I do when it comes to withdrawals with hankotrade, when it comes to withdrawals with everything trading wise, even withdrawals with everything content creation wise, and I explain everything, it's all in previous videos, but that's only for the people that aren't new. If you're already subscribed and you've been here before, you already know that. But like I said, this is the last withdrawal I did. You can see it hit and everything, all the credentials. This was about $300 that I withdrew right there. So that's that. Listen, the broker you use is very important because at the end of the day, you want to be able to trust someone. You want to have something that's not going to create a lot of friction. All you want to be able to worry about is you following your system and trading. You don't want to have to worry about if you're going to get withdrawals. You don't want to worry about if you're going to be able to get your account taken. One thing about prop firms that I definitely will say is they're way more prone to get taken down and get shut down because they don't have ideal practices. That's why at the end of the day, trading your own money is ideal. Should you trade funded money? Should you trade your own money? It doesn't matter. All that matters is having the skill set that's gonna allow you to do either or. That's gonna allow you to have the option to trade live or trade a funded account. But if I had to choose, if I had the money, I'm going into a live account because I have no restrictions. I have no limitations. The sky's the limit. And all I know is if I work, if I put my best into it, if I put all my intentions into it, I know the sky's the limit and I know what I can do with it. And if you guys want to learn how to do the same exact thing, check out the free trading course. I teach you everything about trading, how I trade on a day-to-day basis for free. Completely free. If you want to go check out the concepts, it's free. Check out the trading webinars for free. And if you want to join the team of like-minded individuals that's not for it. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. Make sure you get a demo account with HankoX. Try it out. There's no harm in trying it out. If you want to know what I do on a day-to-day basis, if you want to trade just like me, this is what I do. Try the demo, try their platform. It's all brand new. No more bugs, no more glitches. Mobile app version. Let's just get this money, man. Let's make some money while we out here in Miami. Let's get to it.